Hi YouTube, eBay's YouTube here with the ludicrous Model X. So my phone didn't fit in the wireless charger that came with the car, so I had the nerve to cut it, and I made it much wider. These limiting pieces here that used to cover this whole mechanism, well, I cut it away a little more than a ½ inch on both sides. Also drill these holes just for kicks. Not really. I wanted to see what was in there. I tried to get in this way. It's beautifully rose gold plated in there. Man, it's some beautiful stuff. So, yeah, so I got this apart, and I guess I'm going to film putting it back in because there's several videos showing how to get this back in. And let's see if I can do it nice and easy. So imagine you bought one of these for 125 bucks off Tesla.com, and you wanted to put it back in. Hopefully I get it right. So, you know, I think this is going to work. Haven't really practiced it because might as well just do it. Okay, well, so yeah, the tough part is you want to get this wire up and around this, just in there and out this hole. So let's see if I can get that done. Kind of I close this door a little bit. Yeah, it's not going to be pretty. Plus I'm trying to do it with everything in place. But basically thread it in here. I don't know why this makes me think of our Rich Rebuilds channel. So it can be really hard to do this with so you can't see it, but I'm threading it, which I just did. Hopefully it stays there. With the door kind of closed, I threaded this back in, so that worked. All these things are already in position. Now this piece is kind of tricky because it'll only go in with this door closed. So again, I got to do kind of a blind move. But I got the wire in to where it's supposed to be. So now this piece just needs to lock. And like I said, I kind of hard doing this while watching through the camera. Okay, but anyway, these two pieces, these two little wings are gonna catch in there after I close the door. So again, it's sort of a, I guess I could just, the camera's not gonna fit in there with my hand and all that. So with this door kind of closing, reach over from here and feed this. Let's see if I got it. Success. You see, this is now, this piece here is now locked in there, ready for screws, and this piece just kind of bayonets down just like that and snap. And now all I gotta do is not lose these screws while I screw this part in. And look through my phone as I do it. Awesome. Maybe. Well, maybe I should make sure the wire's right before I screw that in, but yeah, just try it. Okay, so I think that's how that goes. I got it out of here. Like I said, I made this aperture a lot wider. Just took apart my new awesome Tesla and cut away pieces ruthlessly so that this wireless phone charger would work without me making my Apple phone raw dog it through this world without a cover, because I just break phones instantly as soon as they're out of the case. And yeah, I could put a wire right here and plug my phone in like a normal person, but no, I'm not gonna do that. So okay, so that's nice and tight. Both screws. Yeah. What the hell? I thought it was all the way down, but nowhere near. Okay. So, like I said, there's that little part. And now all I gotta do is run this wire. I kind of got a little ring right here. I guess it's to stop you from putting either too little or too much wire here. And then this thing just plugs in here. And whoopee, success. Let's just see, just make sure. Put this back down. And it clamps down there. This sits down pretty good if you get it right. Okay, so that looks good. Closing, opening. Much bigger aperture for my phone with the case. And let's see. Let's fit the Tesla brand, $35, 128 gigabyte. Only goes in one way, of course. The way you think it would. And there it is. Okay, trust me, my phone now fits in here. It didn't before. I savagely cut 2 pieces of plastic off a brand new wireless phone charger that came with my Model X ludicrous mode. Performance ludicrous mode. Yeah. Okay, so my phone will fit there. Yeah, nothing like testing that, right? Let's see. They're gonna charge. Okay, still filming. slot it in there. Yep. It works, folks. It's charging. Okay. And it's also well restrained in there by those springs. Yep. It works. I did that. I ruthlessly cut pieces of plastic right off. Well, the good part is I read online that, you know, on the dealership, Tesla.com, you can easily just buy another one. So I didn't feel too bad about cutting away plastic because I really need a thick phone cover. This is rated at 15 feet drop, and it really does work well. It's got a really heavy lip on the plastic, so it holds on good. Well, that's it. I need to vacuum this car, obviously. And so there it is. That's that nice little USB drive. Came in that nice box. I didn't buy this, it came with the car. I just had the nerve to cut it away. Okay, peace, YouTube.